So today we had two problems. We had -2 to the 6th power and a negative and then 5 to the 4th power. So what you want to see is that this is the entire thing. Actually, let me highlight what's this entire inside the parentheses. That's what's being raised to the power of 6. So we're going to do -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. Getting a bit redundant. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's one more times -2. So negative times a negative is a positive. So -2 times -2 would be -4. But then when you multiply -4 by -2, you get -8. So these here are -8. And that would mean the other three, this one and these two, are also, -8. So it's -8 times -8. And -8 times -8 is positive 64. So that's the answer for that one. And remember, if the power is even, and you're raising a negative in the parentheses to an even power, it's going to be a positive answer. This one here is negative, basically like a -1, times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is 25. This is 25. 25 times 25 is 625, but it's all of this times a -1. So your answer is going to be -625.